namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel, yeah, of course, mhleta I care like the awards. Taka Munghana Lonene FM. That of course at host win le eNkwankwa Stadium eka siku of course rati 21 ta December eNkwankwa Stadium le stadium xa kona of course hi nga kumina la handle la where's the entrance here. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, Nkonkwa Stadium. Yes, of course, I review abantu lava nga wina hi nyika a fair judgment. Yeah, ka lava nga wina vele vele hi loko ha pfumela or ha pfumeli vanhu va hi recommenda ku va nga lunghisa kwini vele vele. Yeah, okay. Yeah, of course, that case sungula best newcomer of the year. Yeah, so as you can see kwala fika komisa ku hayi kune yeso ndzi ku vonile by praise as you can see kwala yena winner. So it really must have well yena deserve. I've checked my account on YouTube in overall and la kota ku watch swa online leswi nga publishiwa semanje swi nga official swi swa yena swa ha ri fairly new and tlhana risimu ri anga wone rona as you can see rona the views to vonaka lero a swi leswi ha fike argue hi swona as you can see kwala a ro risimu ri twala kahle swinene it's a good song. It's a good song. Yeah. It's a very, very powerful song. So, yeah. Our category I read clean in overall, but I need some questions such as why don't Nabona DJ Mumba Aveke unfortunately criteria when I got some server FM and stuff like that. But what I know what whenever qualifier the boy I have some certain qualify link on top comment them got more details guys and go and stuff like that. Not doing a gabo questioning and stuff like that. Unless if there is makayo look anga nominate before, I don't know. Yeah, when on Joe man and checks in a qualifier and stuff like that. Yeah, I in the yellow sharp award. So yeah, got this category of course. Yeah, best song gospel. Queen name Moya Wayala by Bongan as you can see. So nfikani check ka YouTube. Only to find out this track only like 6,000 views and aya go makatleka aya go mara similar as you can say like Rome August so on video show I should fair at all because the other songs letting ka nominate you adena the views to clash na ko khala ter ka to dominate shula go ka industrial ya gospel mo go na makali. So this nomination was very, very wrong. I think I nominate this track. Because already kuna bigger songs such as this one Yatsamala, as you can see, showing 300,000 views, and there's also another lady here. Divine Gold, as you can see, like 44,000 views, as you can see, so you want to view 200, 500 and something and stuff like that. So like we give our computer similar 6,000 views, not similar no 44, no 300 and something thousand views. Sure, fair look artist win. So this category was very, very wrong. I ain't deserve win at that track. And then of course, okay, in there best disco dance song, as you can see, and very cool win Tivata wena by Dr. Machek. And can check out the views that the artist that they nominate win la. Well, he does deserve it to grant this. Nkwala nominate the views ta utila answenen ko ba track yunga le I reka 4,000 tungo tilo loma 100 something views 300 so I deserve it guys. I deserve it. Mpela lokuri vote ruin I deserve I hindi. Then best hip hop song win Kenais argue guys like Kenais would know it space shy hip hop so what deserve go Arla so he deserves it. Narsimera located check as you can see like 100,000 views to combo like nomination I deserve makali like what deserve not chakuro merin very just go verify and stuff like that. Yeah, he deserves it. Ja, skål. Yeah, and then best Xitsonga Afro Pop, Queen Daniel Brothers featuring King Tsonga. Mbaku bye bye valala, as you can see kwalano. Oh, what deserve. No, can't check out the views. No, sure what deserve. Go one nominate wala. As you can see, Rasim Round, of course, on YouTube, rega 200,000 views. So for sure, kasi 200 muna nominate na. If you can't share na the views, so no ya muna deserve. So lugro if voter muna ya eva awini. You could show 200 nomination if I can't 200 muna makalo. Yeah, and then this good. It's good. Yeah, and then best Xitsonga traditional, very queen Mshengu the original. Okay. Guys, look, check. I've been researching about it. So, Mshengu the original, you have a YouTube topic. You have an account. You can go in Mshengu the original and can check out various videos here. So, I'm to go by nomination, John. How? You need to answer these questions. I wish Gaza could not management that artist leti nga tiya to ti nga fisa na stage swi nga solviwa simple ku munhu I nominate njhani a ri hava na YouTube topic wona mhaka leyi mina a ndleni videos before kha ni loko ti-nominations tin'wana ti question a va vutisa ku swi te njhani ya ha na YouTube topic as you can see so a yi deserve a ka ha ni dyo hi hala na hala Mshengu laha a yi deserve ku va yi winning that award wona mhaka a yi deserve at all o va ri kona already vanhu lava tiveka as you can see kwalano vo fana vo Oscar Makamu of course yes it's controversial mara wa tiveka vo Tshame Boy vito ra yena I ri ndleni video ka Khashata Awards last year but yeah vito se ra tiveka nako at least a swi ta swi antswini ku va ku ri munhu loyi a nga na YouTube topic and then best Xitsonga house tekela wasati by Wayne and Tangu swi blind leswi guys swi blind as you can see Rasim Round of course ri ka 200,000 views so swi bini swi blind lava dimini xi yi tsakisa loko se yi nghena nyana la na hayi mala yi nghenela mi hi twa okay yeah ya ntata la twana ata ku tekela wasati swi blind swa deserve no argument when Tangu you deserve it let's go and then best Tsonga collaboration Lura B and featuring Dr. Thomas Chauke leyi ani already I handle video loko a yi nga deserve ku va yi nghena la I best collaboration njhani anikane ku na Dr. Thomas Chauke already category leyi ani questioning because risimu leri a ri na swin'wana swo ma 20 something thousand views tinsimu leti a yi kha yi compete na to guys hono mi komba tona as you can see a yi compete na va swa tsakisa trailer already a ti hindze ma 100,000 views khale yo a ya ha ri ka 26,000 views ta tlhela ni vekela e link on top comment mi kota ku cheka even the previous video ma yona mhaka leyiwa va byi namba na vanghana by Cool B like ti na views to tala ngopfu a ni ku chanceni guys mi ro riwa ra Cool B wona mi komba ku ri na ti-views tingani as you can see at 161,000 views a swi nga ri ku balanceni like anti ku i best collaboration njhani like how like criteria ku va tirhisi yini kha ri khombisa na va nkarhi wa kona by Sam Frikaman guys like really as you can see later on YouTube music ni vona hala ka YouTube street yo rhanga like ngopfu ri ka 100,000 as you can see like ma track yo bastrong I don't know so so na swo fika swi I don't know criteria wona ku ve ku ri okay so anto criteria wona ku ve ku ri yini kahle yi nga endla ku like va ri nominate la I don't know ivi and of course hi ka best Xitsonga group Queen and Tangu loko ri himpela va vote ro a va deserve ku va wela ka Xitsonga group swi blind va demand like na ro yingisela music wa swona you can hear so no argument master T ma va swi deserve loko ri va vote ro very and then best male artist Hosi Ngome is the post swa hane da hala na hala since I nominate win what deserve ko win Hosi Ngome is the post very ku vote ro very he does deserve it aka hana na dio as a guwa le award yona Hosi Ngome yona a hindzi best Xitsonga female Ness Matlala a nga deserve like why I win Ness Matlala in 2024 why incini lexi nga endla ku a wina swi lo yini mara munghana la FM leyi award yi wrong she does not deserve it ku kha ku na vo Miss Hillary like a nga deserve ku va a nominatiwini la that's it no xi n'wi rhanga na vo ri kona as you can see kwalano even praise I think her voice is also good and stuff like that best Xitsonga album of the year Mbanyele leyani heta le come on guys i ncixi nga endla ku va ku ri best album of the year why and yona veri why and ti tlhe yi vutisa na yo question why mara mbanyelo mi wine njhani why by mbanyelo swi loyini mara vanhu va xikwembu as you can see album of the year ya kona tin'wana ti-views ti na ma 852 kwalano I think yo the highest ya ko yaleyo wa xipapa 1 na 100 views kwalano swo kona munghana la FM a mi hi teki serious yi ku yin'wana siku risimu ra ku hi yi cheka kwa mi nga foste yi na 41 views hi yo album of the year mara njhani guys how like how va Savage yi na 57 views like yo swi ni heta na matimba how i album of the year njhani yi twale kwini a yi chayisi hi ma yo a na ti-views va xidludla ti 9 views swi ni heta na matimba vona ku a yi compete na va mani album leyi a yi compete wo DJ Mumba n'wamarhungani ti-album to hisa swinene like ku ze ni vula ku swingutini ti-nominations leyi a ti rhongo ngopfu va chela driver Binance Matlar na yo leyi a yi nga fit ku nominatiwa ku lela ntiso timhakamhaka by Shonge Rhangani ti-album ta powerful swinene ya Brahma Eli na yi nga fit la ya Manflow a ni yi chekini ya I deserve based on the views ya Sivara na I deserve kwalano as you can see kwala vo Oscar Makama no questions yo Mr Post no questions so ni vula ku mara artist yi nga na 800 views yi bana made album yo fana vo Oscar Mr Post it's a joke yeah, and then last category va ku best song most popular song va ku ne Zanele Mashabane song ko ver Jerusalem ku na Makhokholo I don't know I don't know a ri nga fiti ku va ri nchelo ka gospel not ka Xitsonga most popular song walo ze ku Xitsonga wu no ku vula tinsimu ta njhani so risimu ra kona as you can see ri na 18,000 views vhete swi vona ku swin'wana ku xava makhavichi swin'wana there is no way a hi voni ku a ri compete na va marisimu leriwa for their own reasons somehow a ku vi ku cinciwa ku nga ri top 10 ku ri top 5 risimu leri a ri ba xigaza Monday swi loyini mara lero a fika ri nga nominatiwangi la ri ba na n'wamarhungani swi loko a fika ri nga nominatiwangi a fika ri nga weli kona because a ri ri best in ri ba mase wa thawula a ri twala everywhere ntlangu wun'wana na wun'wana mase wa thawula a wu chaya ri nga biwanga vanhu va hosi na vo Marimba vo hosi ngombe the Post next time ti-managers a ti vula leswin'wana you know Master T hi nga endla ti-videos mara loko mi kuma ku swi hela ka Master T ntsena radio va yi ri kulukumba ngopfu yi lava impact yo twala ma vona mhaka leyiwa a swi fana ku ri artist individual so loko ri xiyanimoya xi va xi ri kulukumba ngopfu ku lava ku ri impact yi kulukumba ngopfu so ti-managers fike ti teka na xiave next time vo Master T hi ta va hi kha hi pfuna video yi ta endliweni ku leswi swi wrong leswi right and stuff like that a reds ya kombela mi subscribe